Hey, I'm Shannie from Mountain Woman Products. Let's talk patina and my favorite ways to get a nice deep black color and a nice rich copper color on your solder for your stained glass. The most important part is safety. You want to make sure you're wearing your gloves, you're in a well-ventilated room, you have your mask on, and don't forget your eye protection. Says right on the bottle, this is caustic stuff. So if you see people not using proper PPE, do not follow their directions. Use your PPE. Be safe so we can keep making beautiful glass art. Regardless of whether you're using black or copper patina, you're going to want to get rid of any flux residue that could be left over on your solder. That'll prevent the patina from working well. There's a lot of different ways that you can accomplish removing the flux from your piece. A lot of people use dish soap and water, but there's a lot of different elements and minerals in water, chemicals that can throw variables in the equation and make your patina not work well. So I like to use this. It's called Quick Clean. There's another one called CJ's Flux Remover. I've never tried that one, but this Quick Clean works great. You go spray it all over your piece. As soon as you're done soldering, wipe it all off with a paper towel. Make sure it's good and dry, and we're going to start patina. Have your PPE on? Make sure you do. You want to pour a little bit of patina out into the cap. Just a little bit. I kind of overdid it here, but you don't want to be dipping back and forth into your patina bottle, or it's going to contaminate that patina. And as you can see, the black, it starts to get really black right away. You can use a chemical brush for this, an old toothbrush that you are clearly not going to brush your teeth with again, a Q-tip, any of those sorts of things. And you just keep zoom, 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 zoom all around on your piece. Look at that. It's getting nice and deep, dark black. And that's because I used the Quick Clean. You can go over spots if you see an area that didn't come out real well. Just grab a little bit more on your brush and womp, 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 womp. Keep going. Do not forget your jump ring. Speeding it up a little here because, you know, samesies. Now we're going to flip it over, get the other side. Whee! Look at us go. You'll note that with lighter colored glass, some glasses will get stained from the patina, especially some of the whites. So if you have like a really big piece you're working on, try the patina on a scrap piece first so you don't wreck like your entire project. And I'm just doing a little touch up here and there. When we're done, you're going to take it in and wash it with hot soapy water and then put on your carnauba wax. And then you'll be done. Next up, copper patina. This requires quite a bit more scrub-a-dub-dubbing. I used a chemical brush here. Word on the street is you're going to want to throw it out. I always have afterwards. So if you're using, you know, paper towels or a Q-tip or anything like that, just put it in a plastic bag and chuck it when you're done. Realistically, you should be putting any of your disposables from patina in a hazardous waste proper disposal. You can check out sites like earth911.com for hazardous waste disposal in your area. Don't forget the jump ring. And keep a scrub-a-dub-a-dub-a-dum. As you can see, it takes longer for the copper to get a nice, deep, rich color than it does for the black, but it will come up. You just kind of have to keep going over it a little bit and keep scrubbing a little bit. Remember to wash it and then carnauba wax it when we're done. And we're done. Ta-da! Please remember your safety equipment. Grab your free beginner's guide. Peace, love, and stained glass. Subscribe for more.